Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through 6 waterfalls in Ragati. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell for more content notifications. So today we start by going into Mt.Kenya forest to visit Ragati Dam in Nyeri County, then follow the river till Keberego town in Kirinyaga County. River Ragati is a very big river, but I have seen it change in my lifetime. Here we can only see just a little bit of water flowing through from the dam. There are some more waterfalls up the dam managed under Ragati River Conservancy, so we should visit them someday. On to the first waterfall of the river. Just behind Ragati Tea Factory, we find the first waterfall called Kemberelia Waterfall. I hear there was a mill run next to the waterfall. I wish the mill would still be operational today to marvel at the engineering. Twin waterfall, and at the bottom it's so rocky so you can swim. Hapa unarusha tu miguu kwa maji. From Karatina town, we drive towards Keberego town, but just before we reach Kangosho Primary, we branch to our left. For the second waterfall, I used the wrong route, so I didn't capture the best view, but I promised to make a short video about the waterfall. Here is our third waterfall on the river. From now on, they are sliding falls as they flow down Kangosho Hills. Here the river borders Nyeri and Kirinyaga County, so the best view of the falls you have to be on the Kirinyaga County side. This is the largest waterfall on the river. It's quite a big slide. People here call it Kiangoma, meaning Devil's Waterfall. I absolutely had fun walking on the rocks towards the top. Here is our fifth sliding waterfall. Enjoy the satisfactory nature sounds. This was the last waterfall of the day, and it was my first time seeing this waterfall. I loved it here because I got another chance to walk on the rocks. Let's embrace waterfall tourism as it allows one to feel the beauty of nature. Remember, as we are having fun on the falls, they can be dangerous as one can easily drown. So keep off.